Hundreds mourn Brandon Murrary at his funeral service.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Hundreds of mourners heard on Saturday, July the 7th, how football administrator and businessman John Brandon Murrary, who was murdered in Kingston last month, had touched lives through the many contributions that he made. 48-year-old Murrary, who was shot to death in the yard of the Mayfair Hotel in St. Andrew on Sunday, June the 10th, was showered with accolades at a service of celebration for his life, held at Kendall Conference Centre in Manchester. He was described, among other things, as one who was committed to football, his faith and his family. For those who knew him, his deep interest in football was spotted from his early days in preparatory school. He owned his talent as he got older and as an adult became the co-founder of Sporting Central Academy Football Club in Clarendon and was known for rehabilitating a number of football fields. Carl Wigan, a beneficiary of the program at Sporting Central Academy, credited Murrary for taking him from relative obscurity to where he is now known in the local football fraternity. At 12 years old, I cry, he said in his tribute, while noting how that changed on June 10th when he heard of Murray's demise. He said that Murray instilled many virtues and life lessons in him and others in the program. Wigan said that he had been a blessing to their lives and that Jamaica has also been a loss now that he's gone. Brandon Hayden, a childhood and school friend, said that Murray's faith in God was a driving force in his life, about which he was very serious. He said that while they were at Monroe College together, and some of the boys would be showing an interest in chapel, possibly because of the snacks afterward, Murray was different. John Claude Davidson, an elder at Transform Life Church in Kingston, where Murray attended, said that there's a book that he had written on spiritual matters, and that was a demonstration of his commitment. His friend, Pastor Christopher Morgan, said that when he made a decision to start a church in Jamaica with a similar freshness, like the one they attended at a time in their lives when they both lived in the United States, Murray was instrumental. Among those who gave tributes was a representative of the Bible study group called God Squad, of which Murray was a part. Murray leaves behind wife and 4 children, and Morgan said that it was during his time in the United States that he decided to start a family, a time when the group of young men who were his friends there was not yet on that path. In a tribute given during a video clip presented, his wife Marla remembered his sense of humor, passion for football, and how he would pray for his family. The audience heard from the remembrance that the impact which Murray had made was fueled by the way he was raised to be a part of a community. His body will be cremated.
Brandon was that, always about the word, the person of the word. A Bible study, what's that?
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.